If you consider the poverty levels quite high around this area, there isn't much to do. The easiest way to make money is going in the field, going in the Katarina Forest Reserve. There are big trees, good trees, cut them down and make charcoal.
The main aim is to alleviate hunger from the actual farmers, to divert them from this business of charcoal burning, that they should see the importance of keeping their forests, because in forests there are a lot of things that we can get. There are mushrooms, there are wild fruits. We also got caterpillars growing on trees. Also, keeping the vegetation helps in climate change, because once we wipe out the trees, it's very difficult to have the rain patterns in a proper form.
We are currently doing the beekeeping program. The whole idea of the beekeeping program was to have people appreciate the forests that they have on their farms.
We have put in the beehives into the forest. So if there is a beehive and the beehive is occupied, no one can come and cut the tree. No trees, no bees, no honey, no money.
My job is to protect the community from people who are cutting the trees and making the kiln in the forest. So we keep on encouraging them and teaching them the importance of having the trees in the forest.
It's important to protect these forest reserves, because we expect our future generation also to benefit from these forest reserves.